Welcome to the final lesson of the ScanRover Academy. In this lesson, you'll learn how to use Timeline to review a stock's complete momentum journey, from the moment it first appeared on momentum radar through to its strongest move. Momentum isn't just about where a stock is right now. Understanding how it developed throughout the trading session can provide valuable insight into its behavior. Timeline records each stage of that journey, allowing you to study momentum after the market has moved. To open a timeline, simply select one of the available stocks. You'll immediately see a chronological record of how that stock progressed throughout the day. Each event highlights an important milestone. You can see when the stock first appeared on momentum radar, how its ranking changed over time, when it reached new highs, and how long it remained one of the market's strongest momentum stocks. Rather than looking at a single snapshot, Timeline lets you understand the complete story. At the top of the timeline, you'll also find several summary statistics. These provide a quick overview of the stock's overall performance during the session and make it easy to compare one momentum move against another. Timeline is also a valuable learning tool. Reviewing previous momentum stocks allows you to study how successful moves developed, helping you recognize recurring patterns over time. Don't just review the biggest winners. Looking at both strong and weaker momentum stocks can help you better understand how different types of price action develop throughout the trading session. A common mistake is only focusing on the final result. The real value of Timeline is understanding the journey that led there. By studying how momentum developed, you'll gain a much better understanding of the market than by looking only at the final percentage gain. Timeline transforms live market activity into a permanent learning resource. It allows you to review, compare, and learn from previous momentum stocks long after the trading session has finished, making it one of the most powerful research tools within ScanRover.